This video is about zone editing, which is optional. Kurzweil 3000 puts items into areas called zones. These zones may include blocks of text, page numbers, footnotes, captions, sidebars, pictures, and any other items that Kurzweil may read as text. Zone editing allows for adjusting a variety of options and allows you to choose what will be read and in what order it will be read. The basic components of Zone Editor involves the following: entering Zone Editor, editing zones, choosing different reading orders, and finally, exiting Zone Editor. Once in Kurzweil, the easiest way to enter or exit the Zone Editor is by pushing Ctrl and F5 at the same time. You can also enter or exit Zone Editor by clicking the Scan drop-down menu and selecting Zone Editor. When you enter Zone Editor, you will notice that all zones are highlighted in yellow, and there is a number at the top left corner of each zone. This number signifies the reading order of the zones. You can select a zone by clicking it one time. Once you have selected a zone, it can be edited in the following ways. With a right click, you can delete the zone, which means it will not be read, delete all zones, which means it will not read that entire page, or you could zoom in on the text or zoom out on the text. Under the Properties option, you will notice the categories Primary Text and Secondary Text. By default, all zones are primary text, meaning they are read in normal reading order. It is possible to change a zone to secondary text, which means it will not be read unless the reader clicks it. You can change a zone to a graphic zone, which tells Kurzweil not to read an area. Also in the Properties option, if you select Override OCR, this means you can type what you want to be said in the box below OCR, and that will be read instead of what is in that zone. Next, under Properties, you will see Reading Order and a box with a number next to it. This number signifies in what order that zone will be read. If you wish to change the reading order, simply click in the box to the right of reading order and place the desired number in the box. Next, if you wish to add a new zone, right-click where you would like the new zone to be and select Add Zone. Then you will be able to select the size and location of the new zone. Finally, if you wish to reset all zone editing on a particular page, simply right-click and select Reset Page. A message will prompt asking you if you wish to restore the zones to their original state. If you wish to do this, click OK. This is the conclusion to the video on zone editing. Please continue on to the next movie in the sequence.